Dear students, in the previous video lectures, we have discussed about context-free language and context-free grammars, and we also discussed about PDA, that is push-down automata, and few problems. In these videos and in the coming video, we are going to discuss about normal form of context-free grammar. We do have normal form such as Chomsky Normal Form and Greibach Normal Form. Before entering into normal form, we should simplify CFG. Let us start the work. How to simplify CFG? Have a look on the context-free grammar given in this slide. We do have S start symbol with some values, A, again S, C, lot of values are there. Now if you carefully analyze, we can simplify this particular CFG by changing some production rule and by reducing some of the values. How we are going to do? We do classify simplification process into three categories. Number one, removal of useless symbol. Now I have mentioned here one useless symbol. What is that meaning? S is linked with A and A is producing another value. A is producing another value. A is producing another value. The starting symbol is S, but nowhere S is related with C, which means C is not reachable from the particular S. So we call C is a not reachable or useless symbol. So we can remove this particular symbol. Second category is epsilon production. You can see A gives epsilon. We used to keep epsilon for terminating some variable. In case if a language need an empty value, we should maintain epsilon. Or else this epsilon can also be modified with some procedure. Number three is unit production. What is unit production here? Capital letter is a variable, you know, already I have discussed. One variable gives another variable. What is the use of that? Instead of this variable, we can directly go ahead with this particular value. So, one variable gives another variable is nothing but unit production. Even this unit production can be terminated or removed. So, totally we are going to categorize the simplification process into three. One is useless symbol, other one is epsilon production, other one is unit production. So, what is the simplification of CFG? Is nothing but reduction of CFG. Number one, useless symbols. Number two, removal of epsilon production. Number three, removal of unit production. In this video, let us discuss about useless symbol and one or two problems. Later, we will discuss about epsilon production and unit production. Removal of useless symbols. The symbols can be useless if it does not appear in the right hand side of the production rule. What is that particular meaning? This is left hand side, this is right hand side. Now who are all capital letters? That is so called variable S, A, B, C. Now A, if it has to be linked with S, yes, it is coming in right hand side. S is linked with A, right hand side appeared. Good. B is also appearing in right hand side, so that S is related with B, it can be linked. What about C? Is it coming in right hand side? No, that is what they are trying to say. It does not appear in the right hand side, then we can call it as a useless symbol. And it does not take part in the derivation of the any string. When we do any string calculation, C will not give its importance while doing the work. So this is, for example, I have given. How to eliminate? Just remove the term more than enough. From start symbol S, is the start symbol S, we can reach A, we can reach B, whereas C is not reachable from S, we cannot reach this C, and symbol C is not appearing in right hand side, so it can be eliminated. Hence, the reduced context-free grammar after eliminating the C is given like this. So, this is the first work we are going to do, removal of useless symbol. We'll just see one problem. This is the final work we are having. A grammar must produce a string with a terminal. There is a small calculation is pending. Blindly you cannot say C is a useless symbol. That story is over. Now, A is also some sort of useless symbol here. How come? Sir, you told us, sir, it is coming in right hand side. Then how it will be useless symbol? Have a look carefully. A grammar must produce a string with the terminals. For example, S is giving aAB. Okay. Who is B? B can be AB, B can be B. Yes, I am substituting AB. It is terminated. Again, S is giving aAB. Can I replace B with the small letter b? Yes, terminated. Now let us have a look. S is giving aAS. aAS. Now what I should do with S? S can be replaced by again aAB. B can be relooked as B. Terminated. You see, whatever the rules I am having, everything is getting terminated, which means B is going towards termination. Capital S is also going towards termination. Now have a look. S is giving ABA. Okay. Who is A, sir? A is having a production rule AA. Substituted, sir. Again, who is A, sir? Because capital letters are variable. It is not a terminal. Come on. Who is A? Sir, I replaced by AAA. Come on. Again, you substitute. How long you will substitute? Never ending, you know. If it is never ending, I can say it is an infinite loop. Now, my question here is, this B is terminated. Good. S is also terminated through B. Good. Is it A is terminating? No. In case, if we have instead of AA, R, A, or B, or epsilon, these are all terminating symbol, you know this. In case if we have such rules, then beautifully we could have terminated. Am I right? Hence, right now it is not terminating. So, A gives AA as well as ABA, all are not terminating. Hence, they are all called useless symbols. Now, it is a second category. Very good. You can recall now. Overall not reachable is also a useless symbol. Overall not terminating is also a useless symbol. Hence, this is the rule available. This is the rule available. This is the rule available. Now, this is your final rule after elimination. Let us directly enter into the problem. Eliminate the useless symbol in the context-free grammar. They have given. Now, I have told the removal of useless symbol, two rules you should obey. What are the two rules? One is, it should be reachable from the starting symbol. That means it should be available in right hand side. Number two is, it should be terminated. Now, have a look on this particular problem. The variables in this given grammar is S, A, B, C, D, and E. Now, the question here is, this group D is not reachable from S. C is not reachable from S. Therefore, E is also not reachable from S. You can argue with me, sir, E is right hand side, sir. C is right hand side, sir. Sorry, my dear. Is it reachable? That is what the next question. Blindly telling right hand side is not the story. Is it reachable? So, from S, A is reachable, B is reachable, C is not reachable, D, E is not reachable. So, the whole group is eliminated. After eliminating, the resultant grammar is here. Now, again, useless symbol, two category I told. One is not reachable. Other one is not terminating. Look in this particular group. Is it AA is terminating? Yes. A gives AA plus A. Yes, it is terminating. Now, it is recursive but gets terminated by A. Okay, this is keep on going into infinity, but it is terminating by A. Now, let us look on this particular term. B gives AB, again B gives AB, again B gives AB. Is it terminating? No, it is not at all terminating. Here it is terminated by small letter a. Here it is not terminating. So this B is not accepted. Conclusion, this B gives AB is not accepted. This obviously this B also not accepted. So we conclude that these two can be eliminated. Hence, this is the final work we are having. This is your simplified production rule. Now what is your VTPS? V is nothing but S, A, capital letters. T is nothing but terminal, small letter a. P is nothing but production rule. This is the production rule. S is nothing but the start symbol. Let us have another simple problem. Eliminating useless symbol for the given grammar. Come on. One is not reachable. Other one is not terminating. Okay. So variables S, A, B, C, E. All are the variables you are having. Now you should clearly identify. S is reachable to A is allowed, B is allowed, C is also allowed. Come on, from S, am I reaching E? No, we are not reaching E. So, variable E is not reachable, hence it is terminated. So, we can remove that. So, modified rule, because you cannot reach E from this S. So, I am just removing. The rules become like this. So, one useless symbol we removed. Other one is it terminating is the question. Now carefully you analyze. S gives AC. Is it A is terminating? Yes. Small letter A is terminated. C is terminating? Yes. C is terminating here. Good news. S is linked with B. Who is B? Ayyo, not there. Not available. Then what is the use of this B? You start from S. Going to A terminated, good news. Going to C terminated, good news. Going to B, where it is terminating. So obviously these two group is not getting terminated. In fact, there is no use of this particular B. Hence we call it as a useless symbol which can be eliminated. Let me remove that particular work. Once you remove the two B's, this is your final answer. So we have removed useless symbol in two major categories. One is not reachable, other one is not terminating. Now this is your production rule. Come on, you can give the grammar. What is the grammar? VTPS. Ready? Who is V? Variable. Who is variable? Capital letters. S, A, C. Good. Who is T? Terminal. Small letters. Small letter A, C. Very good. This is the production rule P I am having. P is ready. What is S? Start symbol is S. Ready. So, we have discussed useless symbol elimination through simplification of CFG we learned. Still, two more simplification procedure is pending, that is epsilon production and unit production. We'll discuss in further video. Thank you.